Ever felt like you're losing money just because you're struggling to manage appointments and payments? That constant juggle of did they pay? Are they coming? Oh, and how much am I actually getting charged for this whole thing? It's a real headache, right? Especially when you're trying to grow your business, whether you're a hairstylist, a personal trainer, a therapist, or anyone who relies on bookings. Think about it. You've got your talent, your passion, your hustle. But then you hit the operational wall. That wall where managing schedules, taking payments, and keeping track of everything becomes this massive, time-consuming beast. And in today's digital age, we expect seamless experiences. We expect to book online, pay online, and get reminders without lifting a finger. That's where platforms like Square Appointments come in. Now, Square, we all know it, right? That little white square reader that revolutionized how small businesses take payments. They've expanded way beyond that, offering a suite of tools designed to streamline your operations. And Square Appointments is a big part of that. It promises to help you manage your bookings, your clients, and your payments all in one place. And this is the big but, how much does it actually cost? Because, let's be real, those fees can eat into your profits faster than you think. We're going to dive deep into the nitty-gritty of Square Appointments pricing. We're going to break down the different plans, the transaction fees, and all those little hidden costs that might be lurking in the fine print. We're going to answer the question, is Square Appointments worth it? And more importantly, how can you maximize it to keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket? So, let's start with the basics. Square Appointments isn't just a calendar app. It's a comprehensive system designed to handle scheduling, payments, and client communication. It allows your clients to book online, receive automated reminders, and pay directly through the platform. This means less back and forth for you, less no-shows, and ultimately more time to focus on what you do best. But like any service, it comes with a cost. Square offers several pricing tiers, each catering to different business sizes and needs. Let's break them down. First, there's the free plan. Yes, free. It's designed for individuals and sole proprietors. It allows you to manage one location and offers basic features like online booking, payment processing, and basic reporting. However, the catch is that you pay the standard Square payment processing fees, which we'll get into in a moment. Then there's the Plus plan. This is where things start to get interesting. It's designed for businesses with multiple staff members and locations. It includes all the features of the free plan, plus additional features like SMS reminders, group bookings, and more advanced reporting. The Plus plan comes with a monthly subscription fee, which can vary depending on your location and the number of staff members you have. Finally, there's the Premium plan. This is the top-tier offering, designed for larger businesses with multiple locations and complex scheduling needs. It includes all the features of the Plus plan, plus even more advanced features like custom permissions, dedicated account management, and priority support. Again, the Premium plan comes with a monthly subscription fee, which can be significantly higher than the Plus plan. Now, let's talk about those payment processing fees. This is where Square makes a significant portion of its revenue. Square charges a percentage-based fee for each transaction, whether it's an online payment, an in-person payment, or an invoice payment. These fees can vary depending on the type of transaction and the card used. For example, card-present transactions typically have lower fees than card-not-present transactions. It's crucial to understand these fees because they can add up quickly, especially if you process a high volume of transactions. For example, if you charge $100 for a service and Square takes a 2.6% plus 10 cents fee, you're losing $2.70 on that single transaction. Over time, that can amount to a significant chunk of your profits. But here's the thing. Square offers a lot of value. The convenience of online booking, automated reminders, and integrated payment processing can save you a ton of time and reduce no-shows. This can ultimately lead to increased revenue and profitability. So, how do you decide which plan is right for you? It really comes down to your business needs and budget. If you're a sole proprietor just starting out, the free plan might be sufficient. But if you're growing and need more advanced features, the Plus or Premium plan might be worth the investment. Here are a few things to consider when making your decision. Your business size. How many staff members do you have? How many locations do you manage? Your booking volume. How many appointments do you schedule each month? Your payment volume. How many transactions do you process each month? The features you need. Do you need SMS reminders? Group bookings? Advanced reporting? Your budget. How much can you afford to spend on a monthly subscription? It's also important to consider the hidden costs. For example, Square charges a fee for chargebacks, which are when a customer disputes a transaction. They also charge a fee for ACH transfers, which are electronic bank transfers. Be sure to read the fine print and understand all the potential costs before signing up. Another thing to keep in mind is that Square offers a variety of hardware options, such as card readers, registers, and printers. While these can be helpful, they can also add to your overall costs. Consider whether you really need these hardware options or if you can get by with just your smartphone or tablet. Ultimately, Square Appointments can be a valuable tool for managing your appointments and payments, but it's essential to understand the costs involved and make sure it aligns with your business needs and budget. Don't be afraid to do your research, compare different plans, and ask questions. When you weigh the costs against the benefits of time saved, no-shows reduced, and ease of use, you might find that the fees are a worthwhile investment. But, as with any business decision, it's all about finding the right balance for your specific situation. Remember, the goal is to streamline your operations, not to bleed money. So, take your time, do your homework, and choose the plan that best suits your needs. And don't forget to keep an eye on those fees. They can creep up on you if you're not paying attention. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.